Welcome to the DSpace 7 tutorials from DSquare Technologies. Let us learn how to create a collection in DSpace 7. Click on the login link and enter your user ID and password. And then click on Login button to enter the DSpace. To add a collection, go to the plus icon and click on Collection. Enter the few letters of the target community or subcommunity, where the user wants to create the collection. Click on the target community in the list. Add the collection logo. Enter collection title. Add introduction text to the collection. It will appear on the collection's home page. Continue entering information in balance fields to create a more descriptive collection profile. Click on the Save button to create the collection. Collection is successfully created, and you are redirected to its home page. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. We are listening. Please reach us, and we will be happy to assist you.